here Thursday morning, we will definitely see a decrease in some of the humidity today. There is still a chance that maybe a stray shower or storm could hit us. Most of that activity should be north and east of the area, but I mean, I just got to put it in there because we have that potential. Humidity will be lower, and then even tomorrow. So as we kind of go forward here, we can see it looks pretty dry today. So I'm not really expecting it, but it's just that there is some possibility. Now, the southeast coast is being watched for potential tropical development over the next several days. It's not going to really affect us, but on the 4th of July, we live nice. And this high settling in over top of us. Humidity is going to be low. Temperatures in the mid and upper 80s. Make sure you apply sunscreen if you're outside, but it's going to be a really nice day. We'll see eventually the winds kind of change direction, and this is that low pressure off the southeast coast that may form into some type of a tropical system. We'll have to watch that. But, as of now, the weekend is looking dry and nice, but a little bit more warm as we head through things. We'll have to see how this low in the southeast really impacts the situation over the next week. I don't think it'll be necessarily here, but maybe east of here. That's just kind of an interesting setup. Our temperatures will go back up, and then by Tuesday, we get a chance of some showers and storms into the region. Temperatures will be up near 90, and that is pretty normal this time of year, so don't think it's too much here or there. Kind of humid, and then we look a little bit unsettled as we head even through Wednesday and even into Thursday. So daily shower and thunderstorm chances for sure. Maybe even a better chance as we get into Thursday, for depending on how this low pressure system sets up next week. We just stay in this bit of an unsettled pattern. This high this far east is going to bring onshore flow, so we'll have to see if that knocks our temperatures back down a little bit. And that may not be picked up well by the models until later, so we're going to have to see if that shows up this next week. And then it looks like a really good chance of thunderstorms, showers, and storms next weekend, but that's so far off it's hard to say if it's going to be true. This looks like another shot of cooler air riding after maybe a potential warm up there for several days. With this low up here in Canada and a high coming in, it's going to be a cool shot if it comes true. Whereas the plains just sizzle underneath this dome here of high pressure. Yes, we get monsoonal and other showers and storms from the easily fetched here in the mountains, but it's just looking hot. So if we look at the anomalies, we should see that match pretty well. Temperatures today, not too bad, even a degree. Pretty close to normal. And then tomorrow, a little below normal. That's why it's going to be so nice for the 4th of July. And then in the weekend, we're looking at or slightly below normal, even into early next week. It's Saturday, Sunday. And then early next week, we probably go more normal, I should say, by Monday. Yep, normal temperatures. Tuesday, looking pretty normal. Wednesday looks pretty normal to below normal. Depends on how much rain we get, how many clouds. Thursday, this is when that onshore flow may pick up, so we may see some cooler conditions, but we'll have to watch Thursday, Friday, and see if that holds around. In general, though, I'm not seeing a heat wave. I'm seeing within a few degrees of normal, if not a few degrees below normal over the next week. We do have a slight surge there at one point, and then, like I said, way late in the period, we're going to have to see how this pans out, because that low up in Canada should drag down cool air here to the eastern part of the U.S. Not cold, but cooler. So to me, this looks like a pattern about normal to more slightly below normal temperatures with a few days above. Let's see if the Climate Prediction Center is kind of seeing the same type of thing. They are actually seeing it as above normal in the 6 to 10 day range, and then the 8 to 14 day about the same. So we'll have to see. I think this may change. Today's maps really show that maybe there could be a heat wave here coming in the middle part of this section of the country with strong southerly winds. So let's see what happens on this weather forecast. I think it's good about to modify some here. So how much rain can we expect? Not a ton over the next week. Maybe up to an inch, quarter to as much as an inch. I think probably quarter and a half makes sense. I think this is influenced here down in the southeast by whatever happens to that tropical system. We also may be influenced by that, so we'll just have to watch. I don't think we will get any direct effects from it. Honestly, it could just make our weather very, very clear skies at points when it seems like it could be cloudy. We'll have to see. We'll have to see if anything develops. In general, look for a beautiful day today, tomorrow. Kind of warming up over the weekend, but not terrible. Humidity and everything comes back on Monday, and it's going to stay humid through midweek with chances of showers and storms. But we're going to have to watch how things happen and progress with that high to the north, a low off the east coast. That speaks easterly winds
So maybe cooler conditions than what our forecast. Have a good Thursday.